Hello students. Today we are going to learn interrelationship between division and multiplication in chapter 6 division. The interrelationship between division and multiplication. Suppose 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So we can write 2 division or we can make 2 division from 1 multiplication. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 or 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Same way 5 into 9 is equal to 45. So from this multiplication we can make two division sums, that is 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9 or 45 divided by 9 is equal to 5. One more example. 7 into 3 is equal to 21. So 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3 or 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. This means that we can get two divisions from one multiplication. Write the interrelationship between division and multiplication. Students, now we will solve the sums to show the interrelationship between division and multiplication. Here 7 into 5 is equal to 35, or you can say 7 5s are 35. So 35 divided by dash is equal to 5. So here we have dividend and quotient. We have to find out divisor. So to find out a divisor, we will say 5 time tables, that is our quotient, till we get the answer 35. So we will start the 5 time tables. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35. We got 5 7s are 35. So 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. Same way here 35 divided by dash is equal to 7. Here our dividend is 35 and quotient is 7. We have to find out divisor. So here we will say 7 time tables till we get the answer in product 35. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. So 5 is the divisor. Next sum we will solve. Write the interrelationship between division and multiplication. 7 into dash is equal to 56. So here to find out what is multiplier, we will say 7 time tables. Your product is given 56. So we will say 7 time tables till we get the product 56. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42 and 7 7s are 49 and 7 8s are 56. So we will write here 8. Now 56 divided by 8 is equal to dash. So we will say 8 timetables till we get answer 56. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56. So we got here answer, that is our question 7, because 8 sevens are 56. Same way 56 divided by 7 is equal to dash. So here we will say 7 timetables till we get the answer 56. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49 and 7 eights are 56. So we will write here answer 8. 56 divided by 7 is equal to 8. So students, now you have understood the interrelationship between division and multiplication. Thank you.